For a software engineer or a programmer, it's a day-to-day task to remove duplicates value from the array. Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to remove duplicates value from the array, and this would be just one line solution. Removing duplicates value from the array, it's not a big task. You just need to pass these numbers to the set and it will get the job done. I have created a new variable called as unique numbers and initialized it with a new set instance, and all we need to do is pass these numbers to this set and our job is done. I'll do it right away. Now let's check in console. We can see that our duplicates value has been removed now, but it is coming inside this set object. We can convert it back to the array by spreading it into the array notation. And now let's run the file again. Now we can see that our duplicates value are in the array format right now. Now you might be wondering why set is removing the duplicates value and how set is removing the duplicates value. It is because set is a special kind of data structure which only holds the unique value. Whenever we try to add any value, it first check inside it whether it is available or not. If it is available, it will simply ignore that value and go ahead. So that is it guys for this video, and if you like my content, do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.